Hi, it's Sajan Ilandur from flrhouse.com, and in this video, I want to show you how to create a follow-up series using Aweber. But before begin the tutorial, let me explain why this step is very crucial for your business. As you know, we have to make a connection each time you communicate with your subscribers. You have to like them and make them like you. You want them to read your emails and make them feel like you are talking directly to them. The way you do that is by giving away helpful, informative, valuable content that actually solve your subscribers' problem. After all, it should be the goal of any businesses, right? It says that most customers require 7 to 12 exposure to your products or services before they are going to make a purchase. They are going to need to hear from you multiple times before they are going to take out that credit card for you. This is especially true if they don't know, like, or trust you yet. As the great Zig Ziglar said, you can have everything in life you want if you just help enough other people get what they want. So focus on providing value, providing solutions to your subscribers rather than just milking them for their hard-earned cash. That's why we have included promotional email types in our PLR packages so that you can copy and paste those emails into your autoresponder. So in this video, let me show you how to set up follow-up email series in Aweber. I assume that you are using Aweber. If not, don't worry. This procedure, every autoresponder, every reputed autoresponder services have their own tutorials there. You can follow that so that you can learn how to set a follow-up email series, which is very crucial for your business. So let's go to Aweber. So I already signed into my Aweber account. So once you log into your Aweber account, just go to this message tab, messages, then click campaigns. Let us create a campaign. Create a campaign. There are so many options here. You can play with it. But in this demo, let me show you how to create a blank campaign. Let us give a campaign name. As I am doing Zoom Master demo, let me put the campaign name as Zoom Master. Then click create. So there are two triggers, start a campaign when someone is added to your list, or start a campaign when a tag is applied to your subscribers. We want to trigger when someone subscribe to our opt-in page. As you remember, in the previous videos, I have shown you how to insert an opt-in code in your SKUs page, aka landing page, so that when somebody opt-in for your free report, their email address will be collected in our autoresponder, so that we can set up the follow-up series and make them buy our future products. So click on subscribe. So this campaign will be triggered when somebody is subscribed to our list. So what we want to do as soon as they subscribe to our list, obviously we want to send them a message. Send a message. So for that, you can just, as I shown you, you can just drag and drop the send message option here. Then click here so that it will be selected here. We can create a message here. Just click here on create a message, drag and drop email builder. Then in this templates field, we can choose the desired templates. Let us see what are the options there. When I am clicking on this template tab, they are loading the templates. You can see there are several templates. Format is given here. You can choose the desired one. I just want to select the plain one, as this is left aligned. Let me choose the center aligned. For that, you want to just click here. Here you can see left aligned. When you click here, you can see the center aligned. Again, you don't necessarily want to select this exact template. Just I am showing you for the sake of showing how to set up the follow-up email series. So after selecting the template, just click on apply. Okay, so let us, if I want to use that templates again, I don't want to go again, just I can choose the templates I have saved. For that, just save this template. Let me give a name, Sergeant Newest. Save template, because next time just I want to select that templates, the name is given Sergeant Newest, so that that template will be appeared in front of us, that is so that we can choose that templates. So here the first subjects, you have to insert your subject line here. For the first email, always, as I believe that you are setting up this, as we are setting up this follow-up is series for someone who opt into our freebie, as we have provided the free reports. In this case, Zoom free report, they are opting to our list to get the free report. So the first message should be something like, congratulations, congrats, your report, or download your Zoom master report. So that is the subject line I want to give. Then here is first name fixed. This is what a personalized option. When this automated field is placed, it will show the first name of the person. For example, when I opt in, if I have given my name as Sergeant, it will show hi Sergeant, or hi Mike, hi Kathy, like that. You can always select the personalized option from here, subscribers info. Then if you want to display, if you want to call them with full name, you can choose that, first name, last name. That way it will read us their first name or last name, whatever option we have given here. So after that, let me write thank you for your interest in our Zoom report, where I will reveal my best secrets for an effective Zoom meeting. Whatever you want to put here, you can edit the subject the way you want. Then make sure that even if they downloaded the free report, you can always give a link here. If you haven't downloaded your free report yet, click this link to do it now. So here you can link your free reports link here. You can upload your free report in Amazon S3 or Dropbox, wherever you like. Then take that link and put that link here. So when somebody is clicking this link, that free report will be downloaded to their computer. Like that way, we can edit our messages. To your success, you can give your name here. So our first email is already created. When you are okay with this message, just save and exit. So as you can see, the first message is created already. So in order to create the next message, we want to send our second message after 1 day, so that otherwise they will receive all our 5 messages, or whatever, how many messages we have, they will get everything in 1 day. So we don't want to do that. So for that, let us give a delay. For that, there is an option Aweber is providing us, wait option. I will explain you what this will do. Basically we are saying that we are automating our function, automating the procedure, that after they receive our first message, the second message will be sent you after 1 day. The next day only they will be receiving their second message. As you can see, set interval, perform the next action in 1 day. So they will be receiving their second email in the second day only. You can always increase the gap here. I mean, if you want to send the other emails in only after 2 days, you can do that here. You can always increase the gap here. So in this case, I just want to give 1 day gap. So after 1 day, then we can send them another email. So that just click and drag this option, send message. Again, after dropping this option, just click here. Then you can click on create a message, drag and drop email builder. As we have already created our template, I mean, we have already saved our templates, we can just upload, we can select our templates. For that, just click on templates, my templates. Remember, the templates name I have given is Sergeant Newest. So apply. So this is our second email. For that, let me go that module where we have given the promotional emails. All you have to do is open your promotional email types which are given in your PLR packages. So that is the beauty of PLR House's PLR packages. So everything is done for you, including this promotional types. So just get the promotional email types from here. Email number 1. We can copy paste the emails from here. So as you can see, we have given 3 subject lines here. Whichever subject lines you like, you can choose it. Let me select the first one. Are you ready to improve and grow your business? Let me copy and paste here as a subject line. I paste it here. Then the content, I mean the actual email, you can copy from here to here. Right click, copy. Let me delete this portion. And right click here and paste. You can see that the email is pasted here. All we have to do is, unless you want to change something here, all you have to do is you have to put your sales page link here, so that as we are putting 5 emails follow-up series here, whenever you put after giving some information, this is a touch-based emails, so we can provide our front-end sales page link here. I hope, let me put my sales page, plrhouse.net. If this is my sales page, I can just come and put here, just hyperlink, highlight and hyperlink, which URL you want to put here. Of course, that is our sales page link. Then click OK. As you can see, it is a clickable link. People can click this link and they might purchase your front-end product. The other thing you want to edit here is just put your name here. That's it. You are done. Then after doing that, you can just click save and exit. So your second message also ready. In that way, you can create all your messages. For example, after the second message, you want to give a wait time for 1 day. For that, you can just click and drag and drop that option here. Then after that, send a message. Again, click here, go to create a message option here, drag and drop email builder. Then the same procedure, you can choose your template that we have saved earlier, my templates, Sergeant Newest, apply. Then go to our second email. Just open the second email, choose the desired subject. Let me show you one more email. Let me copy and paste it here. Then the content, copy it from here until here. Right click, copy. Let me delete this one. Paste. It is pasted here. So here also you have to put your sales page link, front end sales page link. Okay, here also you want to put your sales page link, then your name. Then after doing that, you can save and exit. So as you can see, we have created 3 of our emails. It is ready to go now. The first email, second, the third one. This way you can go to the next messages, as we already did the second email, including the welcome email. You have 3 more emails. This way you can put these 3 more emails. As I have shown you, you can set up all 5 emails. In total you will have 6, because we have created a welcome email also. So in this way you can set up your follow-up series. But make sure that after that, after making everything, you come to your campaign here. You can see it is under draft only. It is not activated yet. For that, in order to activate this campaign, you have to click here and press activate campaign. That means your campaign is active now. Whenever somebody is opting to your list, they will be receiving your follow-up series. Awesome job. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.